Dear learners, today in this video I am going to discuss the syllabus of General English of class 11 of Assam Higher Secondary Education Council. So as you know, or you may not concern of the fact, you will need two textbooks for General English. First is the core textbook named Hornbill, and second is your supplementary book. For that you will get two lessons, and the name of the supplementary book is your Snapshots. Then you know that two textbook will be there. Then after that 90 marks will be in your question paper. For theory you have to write 90 marks, and 10 marks will be given for your practical marks, and practical examination will be organized by or held by the respective institutions or schools on the basis of speaking and listening skills. So in your question paper for final exam of class 11, you will need first the question will come as a passage. So you have to read the passage, and after that you have to write the question answers. Then for that you will be given 12 marks. Then again the next question is your note making and summary writing. For that note making you have to read the passage. There will be the second passage given to you. The second passage you have to read the passage first, and then you have to write the note making. You have to make the notes, and for that you will be given 5 marks. And after that you have to again write the summary of that passage, long passage. For it you will be given 3 marks. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and then 8 plus 12 is equal to 20 marks. For 20 marks will be given for your first section, and that section is named as your reading skill. So for reading skill you will be given 12 marks in your final year question paper. Second is your writing skill. For writing skill you will be given first question as paragraph writing or report writing. Either you have to write the paragraph or you may attempt the report. For that you will be given 6 marks. Again the second question is your speech or article. Either you have to write the speech or you may write the article. For that you will be given 6 marks again. Then third question will be letter to editor or the job application letter or any kind of formal letter. For that you will be given 8 marks. Either you may attempt the job application letter or you may attempt the job application letter or letter to editor. So for that you will be given 8 marks, total 20 marks for your writing skill. Then we are coming to the section C, that is for your grammar part. So for grammar you will be total marks is 10. For grammar you will get determiners. You will be given 1 marks for that. Tense will be there, correct the tense, correct the form of the verb. Then for that 1 marks will be given. Then next is your model auxiliaries. You have to find out the model auxiliary by watching or by observing the situation that is given within a bracket. For that you will be given 1 marks. Then common errors will be there in the sentence. For that you will be again given 1 marks. Then alternatives, choose the alternative. You have to find out the right alternative or proper alternative. For that you will be given 1 marks again. 2 marks. Then do as directed. By seeing the direction within the bracket you have to do that answer. So for that you will be given 2 marks. Then jumble words or reordering of sentence for 2 marks. Then this is over, and for grammar in total you will be given 10 marks. So 20 plus 20, 40, and for grammar part 50 marks is already over. Then we are coming to the textbook of that is named as Hornbill. So from the poetry section you will need 4 poems for your general English. So from the poems you will be 2 extract will be given. Total 8 marks will be there. Extract means you have to read the extracts or the stanzas from the poem, and then you have to write the answer from the extract, from the stanza. Then you will be given 8 marks. 2 stanzas will be there. Then the short question, 3 marks question. You have to attempt 3 into 2, 6 mark will be given. Total from poetry section 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 marks. You will be given 14 marks for that. Then from the prose of the Hornbill textbook, short question 2 into 5, 2 marks question, 5 question will be asked, and total 10 marks. will be given. Then long question, one long question. For that long question you will be given 6 marks. Then 16 marks will be asked, and we have got before this from the poetry section, that was 14 marks, and 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. So from the textbook Hornbill you will get 30 marks. You will be given 30 marks from the textbook. Second, we are coming to the supplementary book, that is named as Snapshots. And snapshot, you will get one long question. There will be 2 lessons. One is Ranga's marriage and another is Albert Einstein at school. Both the lessons will be needed for you. So one long question consists of 6 marks, or containing 6 marks. You will be given 6 marks for that long question. One long question and 2 into 2 marks question. 2 questions will be there. 4 total in 6 plus 4, 10 marks will be from your supplementary book. So from your I am telling from the very first, there will be 2 textbook, and one is the Hornbill, second will be the supplementary book that is named as Snapshots. And from your reading skill you will be given 20 marks. From your writing skill you will be given 20 marks again. From the grammar you will be given 10 marks. From the poetry in total you will be given, from the main textbook Hornbill you will be given in total 30 marks, and from the supplementary book you will be given 10 marks. From the poetry section you will be given 14, and from the prose section you will be given 16 marks. And from the supplementary book you will be given 10 marks. This is your complete syllabus. I hope it will be quite effective for you, because in order to begin our study, so we need to know the proper syllabus. We need to know the detailed syllabus in the exact manner. So I have discussed in this video the detail in a proper way or in a detailed form. So I hope this video will be quite effective for you. Thank you for watching.